Stubbs at a 387.
Debut here at the IHRA for Outlaw Pro Mod. Big move to the left, man. Stubbs trying to hang on to it. Got out of the throttle, brought it back onto the throttle again, and it was a beautiful red, white, and blue car for Kurt Neighbor. Top bulbs on. Mountain Motor, here we go. Oh! I can't believe Neighbor didn't go red. I thought Neighbor was going to go red because it pulled him through the beams. Somehow ends up with an 044 light. However, on the other side, Dave Hughes red. Listen to this. Some performance here.
My memory serves me correct. Monday, we saw him up against the guardrail almost all the way down last round.
Semi-final round for Pro Mod. Can he get it done? He does so. 370 with a 7. Oh, man. Big moment for Ty Totaro. Had to get out of the throttle, turn the car completely sideways, and it's...
Elrod ahead the whole way, 448, double breakout, 448 with a 4 on a 40.
Oh, and Bellamy rattles the tires, opens the door for Nokes, gonna get back by him! Wow, He does so! Wow! It looked like Nokes was gonna steal that thing after Bellamy really...
One of the two.
That's one of them. Terry in trouble early on. This is going to be all Dale Creasy over there by the wall.
Boy, did he hit the wall? That header looks awful flat. That header looks awful flat. Now, did he hit the wall after the
32? 447 the dial in for Ledford. 433 for the machine out of Indiana. Stone pretty much just went up there and missed the tree.
Yeah.
Ledford was 32 for a major hole shot, if that tells you anything. So he was 32 up front, goes
44, Toyota Supra. Qualified in the number 6 hole after hitting that center line. Lined up a little bit to the right side of this lane here as well. Joey Haas is going to make him earn it, that's for sure. Great job there, 066 light, but he got beat by Worsham. I'm sorry, here we go. Red light for Monday. Well, it looked like did something blow off of Dean's car there?
I don't know, I couldn't see it. I'll have to wait to see what it looked like on the replay, but man, I mean.
Domenico out of the groove there just a bit, trying to save that one.
$371 for Mike, $380 for Jason. Right in.
For Brentsfield has given her a good hot rod. Good look at her right there in the near lanes. In the near lane, I should say. Top bulbs on. All right, let's go. Who's going to the final for 125 grand? Red light. 011 for Ken Q. A 008 for Callie Mills. But I believe she had issues right off the bat, right? She would have drove it down through there.
You almost always have to have a lucky.
Advanced chassis on board the 57 Corvette. They're going to be looking at each other the whole way. Rick turns it red on the far lane by more than Ken. Well, dead one in red.
knocked a hole out pretty early on, is not going to get it done here. It's going to go to the other side, stand side. Visors down. Smith in the far lane will manage that one to the stripe. Manhandles that thing 5:36, 202.8.
I gotcha. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha. I've seen them a time or two in concert.
Yeah, and he's going to be rolling some stones down there. 0-0-0-3 red for Richards. Bill Edwards move.
Carl make a pretty nice run first round.
Crews have cleared away. It's go time. Palmer sends it right down through there. Shoots that a little bit late, it looked like, so he'll use it all, but he'll be just saw a quick little purge there. Unfortunately, out of the pedal there for Reister. Doug had. Oh, and he's all over the place. Monty having to drive that thing. Koenigshofer on the other side trying to steal one here, and he's going to get it done. An 0.15 light to an 0.59 for Monaco. So Widener down in the left lane, Wilson in the right lane. Top bulbs on. No games here. We're ready to wrap. Both of them running 370. That's where we're at here. Quarterfinals, Pro Mod, $125,000 on the line. Reaction time advantage by a bunch going to our winner. Callie Mills gets after it at the starting line.
Racetrack. You know, Packers dead for, but late. You can't give.
A fuel injected car there, charging down the stripe, and the win will go to Mike Coughlin. An 0.30 light to an 0.57 light, pretty tight. Appreciation for that man on the side of his roll cage, as we all should. It was so important to motorsports. Boy, great side-by-side battle. That's what we love to see. How about a win by just 12 thousandths of a second, and it's going to go to...
Yeah, I love the little AMX, although the Volare is pretty cool, too.
Yeah, AM's Oil Racing there on the side of the Vice machine. The whole shot goes to the Volare, and he goes dead one. So he's 13 up front, dead one at the back, 14 total there for Libat.
And it's the crew chief is losing her mind down there. It's awesome.
Last night, didn't want to hurt parts, so here he is today. Let's see if we can pick it up a little bit.
This is when it counts. Run it out of the gate if you have to. Here we go, bulbs are on. Boy, Lex had to pedal that thing and try to catch it. As a bit of a pedal fest between the two. It's going to be Lex that grabs the win here with a 5:32. Neary's going to keep him honest, that's for sure. Puts together a 4:27. Nice job. 0.34 light. Colt qualifying 15th. Oh, man, the Mustang, a handful right there. Front end up, did not want to go straight. Had to get out of the throttle to keep that one alive. 375 with an 8. How about a double 0.8 light and an 0.10 light for Colton? Unfortunately. Mountain Motor Pro Stock, putting on a show. Power's ready to go, but it looks like DeFlorian trying to track him down. Can't get it done. Palmier. He did not make up anything, and Sully was 0-12, and he was second to leave. Ty Tutterow, .0005 to the good, and then runs a 3.
Dragster. Oh, Gary turned the trip zip red. Not going to be happy with that. And runs dead 8. Dead 5 in the far lane for
Mitch King in the far lane. Bulbs are on. Mitch King too early.
There you go. 378.
And it's like a 25-year-old dragster. That's an old bike.
Oh, good drag race here. 17 up front for McCullough.
Oh.
10 on the tree for Sparks. McCullough goes dead zero. So McCullough is 17 on the tree and dead zero for 17 total. Ryan Sparks was